In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Instagram photos and videos to your phone gallery. This works on both iPhone and Android, and I'll walk you through each setting so your content is saved automatically and consistently. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. From the main screen, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and this is where we access all the account settings related to media and saving. In your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the App and Media section and tap Archiving and Downloading. This is the area that controls how Instagram handles saving the content you create. Here, toggle on Save Original Photos. Turning this on ensures that any photos you post are saved to your device in their original quality. Next, enable Save Story to Camera Roll on iPhone or Save to Gallery on Android. With this on, any stories you post will also be saved automatically to your phone's gallery or camera roll. These settings are great for keeping a backup of your posts and stories without needing to remember to download them each time. Just a heads up, make sure you have enough storage space on your device so new saves don't fail. If you want to save an individual post or reel, you can do that right from the post. Open the post, tap the three dots on the top corner, and select Save to Device, or use the download option if it appears. Keep in mind that this option can vary. It usually shows up for your own content and on some accounts only when the creator allows downloads. This is different from saving a post within Instagram, which just bookmarks it in the app and doesn't download it to your phone. For stories, if you want to save a story before it disappears, open the story, tap the three dots, and choose Save Photo or Save Video. This is especially useful for quick clips or moments you want to keep locally. After saving, you'll find the file in your Photos app on iPhone or in your gallery on Android. With these settings and quick actions, your Instagram photos, videos, and stories can be safely stored on your device for offline viewing or backups. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.